In this video, you will learn how to fix Telegram download stuck. It can be frustrating when your download stops and won't continue. But don't worry, I have some easy solutions for you. First things first, let's ensure that the Telegram app is up to date. Open the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Navigate to the search section at the bottom of your screen. Type in Telegram and hit search. From the search results, select the Telegram app. If there's an update available for Telegram, you'll see an option to update it. Go ahead and tap on Update. Once updated, check if this resolves your download issue. Sometimes, simply having the latest version can fix bugs or glitches that cause downloads to stall. If updating didn't solve the problem, let's move on to checking your iPhone storage. Exit out of the App Store and open up the Settings app. Tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a list of all apps installed on your device along with how much space they are using. Scroll down until you find Telegram, then tap on it. If storage is low, or if there are issues with how Telegram is functioning due to corrupted data, this might be causing your downloads to get stuck. Tap on Offload App. This option removes the app but keeps its documents and data intact. After offloading, select Reinstall App. This process often clears any underlying issues affecting performance without losing important files or chats within Telegram. Another method worth trying involves using a VPN. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.